Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my blow dry routine. So I'm going to show you guys how I get this super straight hair look just with the blow dry. So if you are interested in watching that, how I do it, so stay tuned till the end and keep on watching. So I have washed my hair and I have also applied the conditioner. So now I am going to apply the hair serum. This is by Streaks Professional. Before applying any heat to your hair, it is important that you apply something heat protecting product so it doesn't damage your hair. So I am just going to take 3 pumps and I am going to apply to the ends of my hair. I am not going to apply it on my scalp, just to the ends of my hair and massage it into my hair. Now I'm going to take this pedal brush. It is called as a pedal brush and this is by Ikonic. So you just have to detangle your hair a bit. Just do it lightly. Don't rigorously comb your hair because they are wet and they are brittle. So you can have hair breakage and hair damage. So just lightly you have to comb your hair and detangle it. And I am using Iconic's blow dryer here. This one is the Pro 2100 and it's a really nice one. So I'm putting it on full speed and full heat and I'm just going to dry my hair a bit because I don't want any frizz in my hair because we are doing a straight hair look and I want all the frizz to go off. Now first I am going to give shape to my front fringe. You just have to comb it nicely and blow dry it in this direction. Now we are going to do sections of our hair. You can do it with the help of clips also. You can take small sections like this and you have to blow dry vertically. You don't have to hold the blow dryer horizontally, you have to hold it vertically like this and very close to your hair. So it gives you that ironed hair look. Because heat is applied directly to your hair and all the frizz is gone. So it gives that ironed hair look. Make sure you have combed your hair nicely and it is tangle free. And make sure that your blow dryer is on full heat and full speed. It is better if you use a hair dryer with a higher voltage. So I am taking section by section like this. You can also use hair clips if you want to make sections. It's super simple and super easy and you'll be ready in just 10 minutes. It just takes 10 minutes. See, you'll see the difference immediately. Now you have to take this complete section that is blow dried and you have to comb it nicely. Now we are going to repeat the same thing on the other side as well. We are going to take sections like this and apply heat to hair vertically. You have to hold the blow dryer vertically. Make sure you are combing your hair properly and doing it from the roots. If you have a little wavy hair or naturally straight hair, this will work for you. If you have too curly hair, this trick won't work for you. You'll have to iron a bit. For naturally straight hair and for wavy hair, this is the best trick. It removes all the frizz from your hair and makes your hair look super silky and super shiny. Make sure you're holding the dryer in the vertical position till the very end of your hair, like this. So it's almost done now. So I'm just going to comb my hair and take the complete section from each side and blow dry it again. So if any frizz is left, it will be removed and your hair will be super smooth, super silky and pokey straight, just like you have just ironed it. it just took me 10 minutes, guys. You all can do this. It's very easy and your hair will look like you have just come out of the salon, and it gives a very nice finish to your hair. I always blow dry my hair like this. I just love my freshly blow dried hair, and it stays for almost 3 to 4 days just like this. If you have naturally straight or a little wavy hair, it stays for at least 2 to 3 days. And we are done. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you liked watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.